Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your device is signed into iCloud and Bluetooth is enabled, and the AirPods and case are charged. Once ready, place the AirPods in the case, open the lid, and hold the case near your unlocked iPhone. You'll see the pairing animation. Tap Connect. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. This registers the AirPods with your device temporarily and prepares them for the deeper association steps that make them yours permanently in iCloud. Once paired, go to Settings Bluetooth and tap the info icon next to your AirPods. Rename them so they appear uniquely in your device list, and assign left/right controls or press and hold actions to match how you use them. Make sure automatic switching is enabled if you want seamless handoff between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Also enable spatial audio if available. These changes tie the AirPods' identity and behavior to your Apple ID. Finish by enabling Find My so the AirPods show up under your Apple ID in the Find My app. This is the clearest ownership signal Apple recognizes. Test audio, microphone, and automatic switching on each device to confirm full functionality. If anything goes wrong, no pairing animation or intermittent connections. Reset the AirPods by holding the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. That reset clears previous pairings and lets you register the AirPods cleanly under your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.